This guide will help you disable graphics settings on your Steam Deck for improved performance or specific gameplay needs. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the Steam Deck menu. Press the Steam button on your Steam Deck to open the main menu. From here, navigate to the Settings option to access various configuration options. Step 2. Go to Graphics Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Graphics. This section contains all of the options related to the graphics performance of your Steam Deck. Step 3. Adjust graphics options. Within the graphics settings, look for options such as VSync, resolution scaling, or frame rate limit. Toggle these settings off or adjust them to low values to disable or reduce graphics performance. Step 4. Save changes. After making your desired adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the menu and select it to confirm your new settings. Step 5. Restart your game. Exit the Settings menu and restart the game you were playing to apply the new graphics settings. This will ensure that your changes take effect and you can experience the performance improvements. By following these steps, you can effectively disable or adjust the graphics settings on your Steam Deck. Enjoy your gaming experience.